Meta Toy Dragons. Saga. Pixel dragons with Web3 value. Hello to everyone who loves games and crypto. In the world of blockchain games, projects that combine easy gameplay, collectible elements, and real rewards are increasingly appearing. One of these projects is Meta Toy Dragons Saga, a fresh RPG with a unique style and a strong ecosystem. Pre-registration is already open, and the official release will take place on August 27th. Let's figure out why this project can become a new leader in the Web3 games segment. Meta Toy Dragons Saga is a collectible RPG where each player gets the opportunity to assemble their own army of toy dragons. These cute and at the same time powerful characters differ in skills, appearance, and rarity level. They can unite in teams, creating different strategies to win battles. At the first stages, the gameplay seems easy and friendly, but as the collection develops, the player immerses himself in the complex mechanics of pumping, merging, and tactical combinations. This is exactly the case when a game for everyone can actually captivate both beginners and experienced gamers. The idea of the game is inspired by nostalgia. The developers transferred the aesthetics of children's construction sets and toys to the world of Web3. The dragons are made in the style of pixel art, and their design evokes associations with retro consoles. At the same time, the project is not limited to visuals. Each dragon has a set of unique characteristics and capabilities. Players can merge dragons, improve skills, and open rare forms, turning collecting into a full-fledged strategy. Meta Toy Dragons Saga has already proven its popularity even before the game was released. NFTs from this universe brought in more than $7 million in sales, and at some point the project occupied a leading position on the largest marketplace. The MetaToy IP community has over 60 million members worldwide. This number is impressive. For a Web3 project, such a large fan base opens up opportunities for quick collaborations, events, and global coverage. The project has dragons, central characters with a system of attributes, rarity, and special skills. They can be developed, strengthened, and combined to gain an advantage in battles. And there are also pets, secondary creatures that add unexpected effects and strengthen the team. They also have their own levels and skills, which makes them valuable for the collection. Such a duet, Dragon plus Pet, creates variability in strategies and makes each battle unique. Meta Toy Dragons. Saga includes a wide range of activities. This is a story campaign where players explore levels, fight bosses and farm resources, an arena for battles between players with a rating and reward system, a simulator of developing your own town with factories and shops that help speed up progress, uniting players to complete difficult tasks. Thanks to such diversity, the project satisfies different styles of play, from solo farming to team competitions. One of the first events was the AI Meta Toy Battle. Here, gamers create their own characters using artificial intelligence and test them in text PvP battles. The most successful characters will be transferred to the main game. This is a rare example, when the community directly influences the development of the universe, turning players not just into users, but into content co-authors. You can pre-register on the official website, metatoydragons.io. Players will receive a starting set of rewards worth about $100, including useful items for upgrading dragons. This bonus will be a significant advantage at the start. The project also presented promotional videos on YouTube, Meta Toy Dragons. Saga is not limited to gameplay only. It is part of the global Web3 ecosystem. Thanks to the NFT model, players become not just participants, but owners of unique digital assets. The team has already announced an update to the tokenomics on August 12th, and this step will be decisive for attracting new investors and maintaining interest in the game. Integration with other Web3 services, in-game trading, and cross-platform events are likely to appear in the future. Why is it worth paying attention to? Meta Toy Dragons. Saga combines nostalgia for retro games and modern Web3 technologies, simplicity of gameplay and strategic depth, collecting and the ability to earn. The project is already declaring itself as a potential leader of the genre, and with the release on August 27th, it may become one of the main releases of the year in blockchain gaming.